So hello friends, here's an IT solution. So today I'm going to explain what is AMP and what is the benefit and what is disadvantage of AMP using on your website. It is the latest technology that is used by all browser. So we latest work on the AMP and we see a lot of problem when any website use this AMP. You lose something, you gain something. I mean, it is important to make your website AMP compatible, but as you apply the AMP, your website lose lot of things. Maybe you lose all the revenue on your website. So it is very important to understand what is problem you're going to face as you apply your AMP. So what you have to do, you have to prepare your website before launching it compatibility with the AMP. So what you have to do, you have to make a demo of your website and make it compatible with the AMP, and then try to publish it on the live server. So let me explain you how can you do that, all that AMP compatibility, and how can you run it on the Google search engine, and how you index your AMP. I will explain all that thing in coming video, so stay tuned. Let me go to the desktop. So here we are on the desktop. So what I am going to explain you that the benefit of AMP and what is disadvantage of the AMP. The benefit of AMP, it is make your website very lightweighted. It make your website show very easily, and Google make the AMP website on the priority basis. I mean, Google index your website on priority basis if it have AMP enabled. So let me talk about the problems what you getting if you just do the AMP your website and don't check it compatibility and all that things. So what I am facing the problem when I just I have a WordPress website and I apply one plugin that is name is AMP, that is developed by WordPress and Google. I mean there is a lot of big company behind that plugins. When I apply that plugins, it break my website. Not break the website, it will not show the important content, and if you have running the Google AdSense, it will disappear. It will load, and sometime it will load, but sometime it will not load, and you're going to lose lot of revenue. But surely you will index first, your website will show first, it will lot more quicker, it will lot more faster as compared to your previous version. So what you have to do, you have to test your website before launching it, before make it compatible with the AMP. You have to test it each and every section that does the AMP will load your proper section. Each section it will, I mean what AMP will do, it will show only the important part of your website. It will show the quickest part of your CSS and JS that load at once. It will remove all that JS and all that CSS which take time, which take delay in loading, which take I mean some type of Ajax maybe you apply on your website which take little bit time, and it is based on the user from the IP or the user from the country. So this feature will disappear when you apply the AMP. So you have to make your website compatible with the AMP, and if you want to make your website compatible with the AMP, subscribe this channel, like this channel. We will take you how to make your website compatible with AMP and how you can index your website in coming videos. But this video is totally about the advantage and disadvantage. So what is the advantage? In summary, Google will index your website on priority basis as compared to your competitor. If your competitor do not have the AMP enable and you have AMP enable, then Google will priority you, not your competitor, and also your page will load more faster as compared to your previous version. But what is the drawback? Maybe you lose your all AdSense revenue, maybe the revenue that is coming from ads which is coming through JS and CSS, which taking a little delay, because all of the ad, as my experience, it is depend on the user base, it is depend on the location of the user. So maybe it will take time, because you are tracking the IP of that user, and after that you will show that ad. So you have to test all that things before applying AMP on your website. So this is the summary that I experience with my websites, and I lose a lot of AdSense revenue. So I think I have to make this, because everyone is talking about AMP, and no one talking about what is the drawback of that AMP. It make your website faster, but a lot of drawback behind that. So hope you enjoy this video, hope you learn from this video. Please subscribe this channel, and if you want us to work on your website, please ping us. We will solve your AMP problem. Thank you very much.